Hello my YouTube family, welcome to OoniZoni kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make bhally. So to make bhally we need 1 cup gram flour, salt as per taste, red chili flakes half tablespoon, green chilies 1 tablespoon, 1 large sliced onion, half cup water, coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, fresh coriander leaves 1 tablespoon. So let's get started. So first in a gram flour add water and make a mixture, and then add salt, red chili flakes, green chilies and coriander leaves.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work.
And now add coriander seeds.
I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurts.
And sliced onion. Now mix it well. So first heat up the oil and then put the mixture of gram flour in it. Then fry it on low flame for 5 to 6 minutes.